Okay guys, final stretch back home. Thanks for watching. Let me restart my watch because it doesn't seem to want to auto start anymore. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. Hit the icon, leave a comment. A like would be great. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Home stretch, guys. Let's take a different route today. Not going to go right. Let's go up and come down here. Home stretch, guys. Super fast downhill, no pedaling required. And we're back home. Shortcut. We're back home, guys. There we go. There's my door. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment.